Hello everybody, Martin Moncayo here, the e-commerce underdog, and today I want to show you how you can create email list inside your Getresponse account. Okay, segmenting your list is very important so that you know where the traffic is coming from, what type of information you can give to your email subscribers. And this is very important if you have different products, different services, and you want to make content that is very specific, very personalized for those email subscribers so that they become loyal fans and end up buying from you. Okay, this is very important. And I'm going to show you how you can create those lists inside Getresponse. Okay, so first you have to log in into your Getresponse account. If you don't have a Getresponse account, I will leave in the link in the description a 30-day free trial for you to test this platform, this software. Okay, but if you have one, you just have to log in and then go to lists. Okay, you will see that I already have created a couple lists, but if you are starting out, you will not see anything here. And what you will have to do is to go here to create list. Okay, put a name, and you have to follow this format. Okay, after every letter, you have to put a lower bar. So for example, let's say FB test list. Okay, and then just hit create. As you see, it's very simple to create lists, but now what you want to do is to connect this list to your website, okay, to your WordPress, ClickFunnels, Wix, Squarespace, whatever you use, connect it so that anytime someone subscribes from your website, their email appears here, and then you can start your email automation sequence. Okay, very important. And I'm going to show you how I use it. I personally use WordPress, and I have a plugin called Thrive Architect that I will also leave the link in the description, where I create my landing pages, and in a very easy way, I connect them to my email autoresponder. Okay, so let me show you how it works. Okay, so now I am inside my WordPress website, and I'm going to show you how, by using Thrive Architect, I can connect my opt-in form or my lead generation form to my email autoresponder. Okay, so in here I just have to go to add element, and in here, look for the lead generation. And as you see here, Thrive Architect helps you design your lead generation form. I will pick this one, which is very simple. I will just pick the color, and just like that, you have your form in there. But you want to connect this form to your Getresponse account so that anytime someone subscribes or sign up, their email will appear here. Okay, as you can see here, we have 0 right now, but we want to have people there, and what you need to do is to add the connection. And as you can see here, it's very clear. Add your connection, choose your connection, and this is something you will have to do in case you decide to use Thrive Architect. But in here you will see the Getresponse once you connect the API. And since it's already connected, you will see that all my lists appear here. So I can pick whatever list I want to send the information of this landing page to. You can pick here. I will pick the last one I created, FB test, apply, and save work. Okay, now that I have my landing page ready to go, I will show you how all this goes together. Okay, I will preview the page. Let's see. And now, as you see here, this is a very simple landing page, but I will put the name Oscar, for example, and I will put oscar@gmail.com. This is just made up. I will put maybe some numbers. Okay, this is just made up as an example. And if I put sign up, that person, this email will go into my email list. Okay, this is very important for you to know. Okay, now I'm going back to Getresponse so that you see that now I have one email in that email list. Okay, as you see here, FB test list, the list that I just created, has one email. Okay, and if I go there, you will see that is Oscar. Okay, this works for anything. It's great to have lists, it's great to segment them. It allows you to create content that is more personalized, more specific, depending on the offer, depending on the product you want to provide to that list. And segmenting is very important. Highly encourage you to do this. This is how you create those lists. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this type of content, make sure to subscribe. I'm making videos every single day. And with nothing more to say, remember, keep moving, keep grinding, keep making things happen. And I'll see you in the next one.